Namaste. I am Aruna Raja, NSS volunteer from Sri Jayendra Saraswati Ayurveda College. Here I am going to tell about an awareness about COVID 19. Let's see. Things we know about novel coronavirus. The novel coronavirus was first identified in Chinese city Wuhan in December 2019. The World Health Organization has named the virus as COVID 19. The virus spread through physical contact with an infected person or through the droplets of infected person. Almost 80% of people recover from the virus without special treatment or cure. What are all the safe practices to be promoted in this pandemic time? Hand washing. Let's see hand washing methods. Palm to palm, front to palm interlocking, clasp and rub on both sides, clean thumb, palm circles, clean wrist, rinse well, dry with paper towel, use towel to turn off the tap. Maintain social distancing. Avoid touching eyes, noses, and mouth. Practice good respiratory hygiene. Stay informed, take care, and follow advice from ANM, ASHA, AWW. Avoid sharing household items. Wear a triple layered mask when you're going out. A common advice for public. How should I greet another person to avoid catching the new coronavirus? To prevent COVID 19, it is safest to avoid physical contact when greeting. Safe greetings include a wave, a nod, or a bow. Should I avoid shaking hands because of new coronavirus? Yes, respiratory viruses can be passed by shaking hands and touching your eyes, nose, and mouth. Greet people with a wave, a nod, or a bow instead. Is wearing rubber gloves while out in public effective in preventing the new coronavirus infection? No. Regularly wash your bare hands offers more protection against catching COVID 19 than wearing rubber gloves. You can still pick up COVID 19 contamination on rubber gloves. If you then touch your face, the contamination goes from your glove to your face and can infect you. How should I wash and dry cloths, towels, and bed linen if no one in my household is a suspected or confirmed COVID 19 patient? Do your laundry as you normally would using detergent or soap. There is no need to use a washing machine or dryer nor extremely hot water. Once dry, make sure you clean your hands before handling and storing your clothes, towels, bed linen. How can I grocery shop safely in the time of COVID 19? When grocery shopping, keep at least 1 meter distance from others and avoid touching your eyes, mouth, and nose. If possible, sanitize the handles of shopping trolleys or baskets before shopping. Once home, wash your hands thoroughly and also after handling and storing your purchased products. There is currently no confirmed case of COVID 19 transmitted through food or food packaging. Can COVID 19 be spread through coins and banknotes? There is currently no evidence to confirm or disprove that COVID 19 virus can be transmitted through coins or banknotes. However, respiratory droplets expelled from an infected person can contaminate and persist on surfaces. Wash your hands thoroughly and regularly after touching any frequently touched surface. Now, let's have a look at things or facts about the coronavirus which are still unclear or less known among the public. What kind of treatment is provided to people infected with COVID 19? As there is no specific treatment or vaccination for COVID 19 yet, the people diagnosed with the virus are provided with the supportive care that help them breathe. When will coronavirus vaccine be available? The first clinical trials of coronavirus vaccine are already underway in US as well as in China. The launch time of vaccines is still unknown. A COVID 19 infected person can pass the infection to how many people? On an average, the virus infected person can pass the virus to around 2 or 3 people or more. Which category of people are more prone to develop serious illness when infected with coronavirus? People of old age, people with weak immune system, people with pre-existing medical problems such as diabetes, heart problems, high blood pressures, and others are prone to develop serious illness when infected with coronavirus. Can a person catch coronavirus infection through air suspended droplets? As per the researchers, the coronavirus survives for around 3 hours in air through the droplets suspended in the air by infected person. Do face masks really help COVID 19? The World Health Organization recommends the use of face masks for people infected with the virus or for those who display mild symptoms such as cough and cold with an aim to restrict the spread of droplets. For healthy people or for people who don't have symptoms, the mask is not required. The face mask alone don't guarantee protections against COVID 19. Can a person get infected with the coronavirus twice? It can't be clearly answered as yes or no. However, there have been a few cases of reinfection. A Japanese woman was recently reported to contract the virus again after recovering once. Does the weather or climate play any role in containing the spread of coronavirus? No. The World Health Organization has clarified that the coronavirus can transmit or spread in all areas, including hot and humid climate. Initially, there have been beliefs that the summers would slow down the spread of coronavirus. Look upon some facts and myths. Having a bath with hot water will kill the virus. Fact. The virus lives inside the body where the temperature is maintained at 37 degrees Celsius and it is not affected by a hot water bath that you have. Eating raw garlic sesame seeds will help you to protect against the virus. Fact. Garlic is a healthy food that has other benefits but does not protect you against the coronavirus. Getting pneumonia vaccine will protect you against the virus. Fact. While vaccines for pneumonia will certainly protect you against the pneumonia, it does not have any protective effect against the novel coronavirus. You can get COVID-19 through mosquito bites. Fact. The coronavirus cannot be spread through bite of a mosquito. It is spread through droplet spread when an infected person sneezes or coughs. Spraying alcohol or disinfectant over your body can prevent infection. Fact. Spraying with alcohol or sanitizers on clothes and body or consuming alcohol will not prevent you from getting infection. Infection spread when the virus enters the body through nose or mouth. Cleaning and wiping hands with alcohol is to prevent the germ from entering your system through infected hands. When you touch your mouth or you eat with infected hands. Regularly rinsing the nose with saline will prevent the infection. Fact. Rinsing nose with saline has in few cases helped in containing common cold but does not have any evidence in suggest it is effective against the novel coronavirus infection. How to cope with stress during COVID-19 outbreak? It is normal to feel sad, stressed, confused or angry during a crisis. Talking to people you trust can help. Maintain a healthy lifestyle. Don't use smoking, alcohol or other drugs to deal with your emotions. Limit worry and agitation by listening to media coverage. Draw on skills you have used in the past. Stay home, stay safe, stay happy. Thank you.